Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendia Fashion. How are you doing guys? I hope you all are doing good. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. In this way, you can get all latest notification of my channel and videos. So guys, today my video is about your one of your favorite topic, that is multiple different short haircut ideas. So guys, let's start the video. So today I'm showing the latest trendy, according to fashion, according to up to date, latest short haircut styles for girls. These all hairstyles are trending all the world. So let me know which is your favorite. I will suggest you to watch the video till the end. In this way, you can get one of your favorite hairstyle among them because I'm showing you all the latest and new hairstyles in this video. You can see there are all type of haircuts are available here: chin length haircuts, bob haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, wolf haircuts, all haircuts with short length are on trending these days, which I'm showing in this video. While these all spiky, beautiful hairstyles are on trending, these fashionable haircuts enhance the beauty of personality, no doubt. These all haircuts are beautiful and cute. I will suggest you to share this video to your family, friends, and social contacts. In this way, they also will get to know about the latest fashion of short haircuts through my video. If you like my video, then do like it and share it and keep supporting. If you like my effort, then you can appreciate me through comment section also. You also can share your ideas through comment section. I will make videos on your ideas. It will be my happiness too. Your appreciation give me boosting and energy to make more videos on your favorite topics in next future. Well, I hope you like my today's video. If you are office going lady, job going lady, or going to college, you can adopt this hairstyle easily and it will make you more confident. So don't forget to watch till the end, share the video, and subscribe the video. Keep watching, keep supporting, and keep subscribing. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. Have a great hair day.